Okay.
Internet is missing one man. The man is sad. The whole internet is sad. Nothing to talk about. Many news platform has nothing to gossip about. Instagram stories are boring without him. We miss Davido. I strongly have to admit that yes, I also do miss Davido. Please be strong. God will certainly bless Davido double, double, double. I just have to admit that definitely I miss Davido. His Instagram story is always entertaining and intriguing. He knows how to just update us with all the events that is happening in his life. And definitely I'm just going to buttress on everything that has to do with the update of Davido. But first then, let's just update you guys on the fact that Davido just visited Instagram, deletes posts and unfollows plenty accounts. Nigerian Afrobeat superstar David Adeleke, popularly known as Davido, has reportedly returned to Instagram after days of the death of his previous and only son Adeleke Ifeanyi. According to the source reaching me, Davido, upon his return, made some adjustment to his Instagram profile as he allegedly unfollowed DJ Cuppy and her billionaire father Femi Odetola. Davido, who has 25.8 million followers on his verified Instagram page and following about 1,677,000 people before the death of his son, made changes as he unfollowed 3 accounts from his followers. His reason for unfollowing Cuppy and his father are unknown to us, but it was speculated that the popular Nigerian singer did so because the Odetola went ahead to celebrate his birthday while Davido was mourning his son, even though they both sent their condolence messages to him. Aside from unfollowing the duo, Davido deletes all his pinned posts. He also deleted his anticipated festival post Away, which is slated to take place at the State Farm Arena in Atlanta, Georgia on November 18, 2022. He had already invited artists that include Kiss Daniel, Wande Cole, Loja, Fuse, Oxlade, BNXN, FAK, also known as Buju, Focalistic, and also Victoni. Now, why would somebody just come out to say that Davido unfollowed Cuppy and his father based on the fact that they just have to celebrate their birthday? I no understand, because person we can talk this thing and they don't already attack him for the same comment section where in Kukuma post this thing, and it has to do with a popular Instagram blogger. I'm definitely not going to mention for what we have done. Only remember. Disclaimer, what I stated earlier that has to do with Davido unfollowing Cuppy and his father has to do with what a popular blogger said on his Instagram page. And as at the report of this particular news, Davido has not come out to say saying that because of this, now I do this, or whether he even do them. And neither has the people that has been accused say, we actually could not have do what we did because Ifeanyi Adeleke is still in the mortuary. And people reacting to that was like someone shouldn't celebrate his life over lost son. People are really mean. A president died, activities continues. Sorry for the death of your son, but bruh, everyone has his or her life to live. Someone else now commented and said, any Davido likes he do what is his phone. Now your phone. Somebody else come and talk, say, Davido, come on, don't like a baby. It is only other tellers you got on your page that had one event or the other. Many other people on your page mourning their beloved one those times that you were rocking in a show, flying pigeon, even in a club. If they are not worthy, would you have noticed this? Or you should know they already paid hundreds of millions for this event, which means a lot to them. There are times for joy and money, so take heart and God be with you.
If you boy, he's becoming more conscious of like his environment, he just says,
Well, ever since the sudden demise of late Ifeanyi David Jr. Adeleke, everybody and everyone has something to say concerning that. We all know this particular critic, Kemi Oruloye, who said that Shares of Pharmacist has come to tweet and said, can they tell us say update, say why Chioma and Davido delayed the announcement of the death of their son has to do with the family cost that Chioma unknowingly brought into the Adeleke's household when she told Davido to take her back. Here, or more talk plenty. The same person also can't tweet again, can't talk say, Chioma, pack your load, go back to school you dropped out of and leave the Oshun course. Igbo girls, please study the Yoruba's families that you're trying so hard to get in. Most of our families in Yoruba land are laden with generational costs. Don't invite it in your life. One person talks saying that Chioma can't carry cost enter. The same person can't talk say make Chioma Kukuma can't leave. Say na Davido cost can't they happen. When I talk say be like say this person maybe or peradventure, or in fact I conclude say he need to just visit Yaba left and remain there. People go cut this icon, the attack person. Well, all I just have to do is just to surf the internet. Any update that has to do with Davido, considering the fact that he is still mourning. Now, so I go kukuma come bring them to you guys. Please, I know that you were updated and maybe entertained. Please do keep on praying for Davido. They need God at this particular moment because it is over 10 days that they lost their child, yet they are yet to even say anything. Before you leave this particular video, kindly keep on promoting and publicizing my channel by simply clicking on the red icon down below. If this is the first time ever you're coming across my channel, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for visiting once again. And also do turn on the notification bell that is right beside the subscribe button for you not to miss out once I upload any intriguing, entertaining, interesting gist that has to do with your favorite celebrities and also your favorite housemate of Big Brother Naija, irrespective of the season. I keep on praying for Davido and Choma and all the entire Adelekes family. I believe that God is going to reward, replenish, and also help them. And also do stick to my channel if you start for more updates that has to do with the burial, funeral, or everything that has to do with the sudden demise of late Ifeanyi David Jr. Adeleke. And like I stated earlier, keep on praying for Davido, Chioma, and the entire Adelekes family. God give it, God take it. Let the name of God be glorified. Amen.
You left your small car. Is this big one you want to drive? Eh? Papa? What are you saying? Eh? Don't worry. I'll leave you in the house of this Auntie Joy. This one.
Beautiful son. See my fine boy. Billionaire. Billionaire Peking. Do it. Billionaire Peking. Billionaire.
He choke.
Your papa get money.
He choke. You don't get money. He choke.
Your papa get money.
He choke.
Ifeanyi Chukwu.
Popsicle.
Ifeanyi Chukwu. Adeleke. Onyego. Popsicle.
Put your hands up and never stop. Let's sing.